We wear different types of clothes, and the main aim to wear clothes is to cover and protect our body from heat, cold, wind, rain, sun, dirt, dust, and insect bites. We wear different types of clothes in different climates. All these clothes are made from fabric, and fabric is made up of yarn or thread arranged together. Take a small piece of fabric and try to find the loose threads at one of the edges. Gently pull it out. A fabric is made up of these fine threads called yarn. Take a piece of yarn and untwist it. You can see it is made up of even thinner threads. These strands are called fibers. So we can say that fabric is made of yarn and a yarn is further made of fibers. There are two kinds of fibers, natural fiber and artificial fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from plants or animals. Cotton and jute is obtained from plants, wool is obtained from fleece of sheep or goat, and silk is obtained from cocoon of silkworm. Synthetic fiber is made from chemical substances. These are not obtained from plants or animals. Rayon, polyester, nylon, acrylic are some examples of synthetic fiber. Have you ever made wicks of oil lamp? These are made from cotton. Cotton is a plant fiber. Cotton plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. In India, cotton is grown in Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. The fruit of the cotton plant is called cotton balls. After maturing, these cotton balls burst open. They contain seed which is covered with cotton. From these cotton balls, cotton is hand-picked, and then by a process called ginning of cotton, fibers are separated from the seeds. Jute is a plant fiber. It is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. It is cultivated during the rainy season. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. The jute plant is normally harvested when it is at flowering stage. The stem of the harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. The stem rots and the fibers are separated by hand. To make fabric, all these fibers are first converted into yarn, and it is done by the process called spinning. Spinning is a process of making yarn from fibers. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. Devices used for spinning are spindle, spinning wheel, and spinning machines. Now, fabric is made from yarn. It involves two main processes, weaving and knitting. Weaving is a process of making fabric. In it, two or more yarns are used to make crisscross pattern to make a fabric. Weaving is done on looms. These looms are either hand operated or power operated. Knitting is a process of making fabric. In knitting, a single yarn is used. Fabric is made by interlocking loops. It is done with the help of knitting needles or machines. This is mostly done manually and sometimes on machines. To make fabric, the first step is to obtain fibers from the cotton rolls by ginning. Then, this fiber is converted into yarn by spinning. Yarn is converted into fabric either by weaving or knitting.
Hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe.